I think it's recording now. So just want to highlight the fact that I'm proud of the way you guys are getting through the class so far to this point. There has been some struggles. The struggle is real, but hang in there. So I appreciate the questions, and I appreciate the second and third attempts. You know, sometimes when you guys are submitting stuff, maybe something didn't come through right, or there were some errors on the ray diagram. So keep up the good work. One thing I'll say is that if you do have any corrections you feel like you need or want to make, or any assignments, please get those in by Friday. So even stuff from way back when we started the whole e-learning adventure, you can still turn in for full credit or make some corrections on some major mistakes that were on there. So that's just the one thing I wanted to announce to everybody. Again, I'm recording this, so this will go out to the rest of the class too. They can watch it on YouTube if they haven't woken up yet. Let's talk just for a couple minutes about Kahn Academy too. So I was brainstorming ideas and ways to efficiently, but also in a non-stressful way, get out some important key concepts. I did a few different options, and there's a lot of good stuff out there. There's me giving lectures and recordings. There's some lab-based simulations, which we'll get into a little bit later. But as far as some just low-stress, basic information, and I shouldn't say basic, it's advanced AP college information. Kahn Academy had some pretty slick lessons. They're 10, 20-minute videos with 4 questions that you can answer, and I like them because you already know how to do that based on that SAT practice thing we did earlier in the year, and you can retake them. You can take them 2 times if you need to, if you're just not getting it. Try. So that's kind of why I chose that platform. We were familiar with it. It's pretty low stress, and it allows me to keep finding better ways to do this for the remaining 19 or 20 days left here. Many of these left. So with that being said, I will try to switch over to my screen here just to show you what you're doing. In case you're not. Yeah, I emailed you, or sorry, I sent an announcement out, so it should be in Canvas in my class. It should be in your email. And if you're having problems, like Brian is figuring out how to enroll in the class, I mean, I have had one contact me about that, and that was an issue with how their account was set up for some reason. I don't know why it happened, but we just tried a different way to do the same. And it worked fine. Or basically, once you're in my class in Kahn Academy, you won't see all of this information. You're just going to see the information that you've been assigned. So right now, I've just assigned 2 lessons. You'll just see a lesson on electric charge. There's a short video to watch, 11 minutes, and then 4 questions about what charge is and the experimental data that proves what it is. There's also a short lesson on the conservation of charge. There's a couple different videos they have there, and then a couple different 4 question sets there. So that's basically it. I can see on my end that you've watched the videos. I can see on my end that you've attempted the questions once, twice, 3 times, 17 times. It doesn't really matter to me. As long as you're getting 3 out of 4 or 4 out of 4 right there at the end, that's good, because it gives you different versions each time. But I think that we're going to go through several lessons in electronics and circuitry, as well as electric fields and electric potential here, because these are topics that are tough for me to explain in words, and they're tough if you don't have some visualization. And these guys do a pretty nice job in here of explaining that in these little short videos, and you can watch them multiple times if you need to as well.